So, good evening, guys. Today I'll be recording, or I will be presenting a video on how to navigate through the TradingView app. So on my side I'll be using the web, but then on your side you can be using also either the web or the phone. It just works out the same. Yeah. So using your web, you just go to, you tap on the Chrome, or I think you'll be using Chrome. So you tap on Chrome, and then on the search you key in tradingview.com, then you search. Yeah. Also on your phone you'll be using, of course I told you to download the app, so I'm expecting you to have the app on your phone. And once you have the app on your phone, you click on it, you just open up. But then you need to register on the app, just the same way you register on WhatsApp, just the same way you register on Facebook, the social media handles, the way you register, just the same way you need to register on this TradingView app. Yeah. So after you register, you'll be given an access to all the instruments that are being traded. Yeah. So this is how the app looks like, but on the Android it has a different view, but it's so different from this view. So on your top right corner there's an option where it's the option of a watch list and details. When you click on it, all the instruments that are being traded will be appearing on your right side of the window. But on the phone also there's an option for you to see the watch list. I think it's on. I think I'll do also the one using the phone, but I think there's no need, unless you'll be having challenges. You'll tell me to. You can just inbox me and get you through. But generally, this just the same way it appears on your phone. No, nothing different. So this is the watch list. Yeah. Currencies, gold, everything is here. Then the second one is an icon for news. Yeah. The news on different currencies, on different indices, on different everything. Like for now, I'm seeing headlines for Euro, US dollar. When I go back to the watch list and I pick on pound and the US dollar, then I click on the news. I love what the news for the US dollar. Yeah. So I think I went to the third icon. The second one is alerts. Alerts is where you create an alert on a specific currency. Let's say on the British pound and the US dollar, I just click on the chart, then I will have the one with the candlesticks. Yeah, this is the chart minus some analysis, so I'll be using I'll be using this one, but then I show you how you can add on this. So, or let me just delete on the analysis I have here. Remove indicators so that I have a plain chart. Once I have a plain chart, so I think we'll be on the same side because I'm having a plain chart. So on alerts, let's say you want to be alerted when I'm using an example of the euro US dollar. So let's say you want to be alerted when the currency reaches the 1.1900 level. This one, 1.1900. So you will come to alerts. Yeah, alerts, you click on it, create alert. You see, just top right, you create alert. Then you will have an option, create an alert on US dollar. You'll have this pop in command, the condition of the US dollar. Let me see. Okay, crossing up, crossing down, greater than, less than, entering channel, exiting channel, all those options. So for my case, because we said the trend was upwards, so I want to be alerted when the level reaches 1.19000. So I'll on my I'll choose crossing up. Yeah, crossing up, the value I'll enter 19000. Yeah, and then I will create options. I mean, how many times do you want to be alerted? Every time it reaches 1.900 or only once? So I just select only once, but you have an option of also selecting every time. You scroll down for more options. Expiration date, you just select an open-ended. Yeah, or if you want let me say, forex runs from Monday to Friday, 24 hours each. So if it was on a Monday, you can put your expiration date to be on a Friday. So you select your dates here to be on the dates for Friday that week. The time you can have it at the time you want. Yeah, and then you'll have alert actions, either notify on the app, or show pop-up, send email, webhook URL. So you'll have such an action, but then you select a show pop-up so that it will just pop up on your screen. Then after you are done with all that, you create select. Yeah, create on select, and then your alert will be created. Yeah, so the third icon on a news, I had explained about it. The data window, we just data for that euro, mean the currency. Yeah, open, so it was just opening on 1.18264. the high level imefika, it reached, it was 1.18374. the lowest level, it was 1.1824, and it closed at 1.1834. you can see here it closed at 1.18347. yeah, and the change was positive of 0.00083. that's a positive of 0.07%. so that's the data for that currency as at 13th November 2018. Wow, 2020, not 2018. Why? I don't know why I'm messing up the dates and everything. Sorry for that. So it was on as at 13th November 2020. That was on Friday, I think. Yeah, on Friday at 6 p.m. This was the data. Also, the which one? 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth icon, hot list. Hot list, it just shows you the volume gainers, losers. If you watch news on NTV, it always gives you the business news. Yeah, it always gives you updates on the day's gainers in terms. Okay, in Kenya we talk of shares because they haven't been reporting news on forex. It is on recent that forex has been gaining roots here in Kenya. So on NTV business news, they always give us the day's gainers, the day's losers, and the day's most profits making firms, etc. So just the same here, which companies, which shares, which everything, the percentage gainers, the percentage losers, etc. Then we have a calendar, icon for calendar. As a trader, it is a good practice for you to have shares, not shares actually, calendar. It is good for you to have a clear follow-up on the calendar. That will show you, or that will help you know the events that will take place at a particular day, so that when you take a trade, you take a trade knowing the outcomes. Yeah, the outcomes of that trade during that day, because you can trade you can put on a trade at 7 a.m. in the morning. Later in the afternoon, there will be major news that will affect the currency. Affecting the currency will mean that it's either affected negatively or it's affected positively. That's the volatility of the currency. If it was on an uptrend, it will continue. It will either continue on the uptrend or it will reverse to a downtrend. Yeah, or if it was on a downtrend, it will either continue on a downtrend or reverse to an uptrend. Those are the chances you have to take. So you have to have clear projections of what you want to do, and those projections you can do them using the economic calendar. This will keep you. This will help you to be kept updated to the current news, current major news that are happening around the world and affecting the major economies of the world, like the US, UK, European nations, like there are such major countries, major economies, the China, yeah, such like things. Then this other icon is for my ideas. That one shows where you are personally posting your own analysis for some other people to see. Yeah, so in case if I had made some analysis here and then I post them on my platform, of course I have a platform on TradingView, of which after you register you'll be having that platform, and you'll have this option to post your ideas. But for me, I've not been doing that, and then it has no problem. You just do your own analysis and you trade. Yeah, and then this other one is public charts. I guess you all know about the public charts. This other one was private charts. You all know all about private charts. Then I have one here for idea stream. This I have no notification, but then ideas on people's ideas, some traders or other traders' ideas on the trades. Then here I have the notifications on my, maybe I had alerts or I had such like stuff. I'll be notified here. I love my notification panel. The next I have order panel, and then I love order panel. I think for I have to connect to my broker, yeah, to have that. And then I have DOM. There are some that I have not been using actually. You see, these are the markets, either buy or sell. I've not been using others because TradingView recommends some brokers, but then since you are in Kenya, I told you to use the FXPesa broker because of safety of your funds and safety of your private information. Yeah. Help center, and then here we have select drawing tools. Yeah. Now on the the drawing tools, I'll explain them later. Using this panel here on your left side of the window screen, either on phone or either on your computer. So going direct to that, I'll start by explaining. I won't explain everything, but I'll just be telling you the major ones that you can be using. So the cross, that one, it's here. Let me show you. You see, let me take away the cursor from this chart. Yeah, let me take the cursor away. When I bring the cursor here, you see some dotted lines in form of a cross. There's one across and there's one upwards from the top to the bottom, the one across. So they just intersect here to form a cross. Yeah, it just serves a function it will help me to read the levels to my top. Let me say it helps to read the prices at a specific level. Like, let me just read this. Okay, the across one, the horizontal one, will help you to read the prices of that currency or of that pair at a certain level. And the vertical one, it will help you to know the dates and the time at that specific time or at that specific level that you are reading. So I'm taking this as an example. I'm reading this level 1.91900. I can't select it actually the way I want it. 1.19003. Yeah, at that time. And then that's the horizontal one. When I read the vertical one, I will be reading the currency or the volatility or the trend was at price 1.19003 US dollars at, now the vertical one, 9th November, that's 2020 at 2 p.m. Yeah, so that's the work of the cross, this icon. Then the next one is the trend line. So you just select the trend line. Majorly this is what I'm using. I don't use all the I don't use all these other drawing tools, because too much drawings, too much analysis, and combination of too many strategies will make your chart dirty, and it will not it will not be clear for you to analyze and to put on the accurate trade for you, the accurate analysis for you. So it's best for you to have fewer drawings and fewer strategies per trade. So each trade you'll have to use a combination of 2 to 3 strategies. Yeah. So on this, I'll use personally, in my case, I like using this feature a lot, because I use the trend line and also use the horizontal line. Yeah. So if you see these blue lines here, they are the horizontal lines, but then let me just add another horizontal line here for you to see. So in case you are using a phone, let me delete this one. In case you are using a phone, All you have to do is just to select that icon. After selecting that icon, we'll select the horizontal line. After you select it, using your phone, you can come click on what was it called, this icon, the cross. Yeah, the cross will just help you to select the level that you want, and once you select that way you click on it, or you double click, or you click, I think once you do. So I click that way. Then I click outside that horizontal line. I love my horizontal line drawn. Also, let me add another horizontal line here on the 1.9903 level. So I'll come here, pick my horizontal line. I come to the chart at 1.1903. That's the best accurate I can get. I don't know if I move down I can get another one. 1.1, yeah, and I click on it. I love my horizontal line. Then I click outside that horizontal line to have it selected. Yeah, so that's how you draw your horizontal lines. If you want to draw horizontal lines on your chart, don't use the trend lines to draw. Just use the horizontal line because they will be perfect for you and they will be accurate. Trend lines you can draw, but then you can't be perpendicularly accurate. So next I will show you how to use this trend line. So I'm just showing you the basic ones. Of course, there are more deeper tools under this tool. You have tools like the horizontal triangles, the trend triangles, parallel channels. You see, there are so many. So I'll be posting more videos on this. So I want to show you how to draw a trend line. So a trend is it can be either downtrend, or it can be either an uptrend. So using this same chart, let me show you how to draw a downtrend. So you come to your icon, you select on a trend. So after that, you can just note a downtrend, then you can note an uptrend. Yeah, a downtrend, an uptrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, up to this level. Then an uptrend was being established here. So for you to draw a trend line, it must touch at least two levels. At least two levels, either at least two lower highs, or at least two high lows. Yeah, I'm saying high lows because lower highs, at least two of them, or three or four, but then it cannot just touch one high low, or one lower high, or one higher low, to just say like that's an uptrend. So for this case, let me just draw a downtrend from this level. Then I draw, I'm just holding my left key on the mouse, and then you just pull up to that level. Yeah, then you release, then you click just somewhere outside to be selected. So in case you want it it has not touched at least 2 levels, you can just adjust it. All you have to do is to click on it, then you hold, then you move, you drag it to the point that you want. I can decide to drag it up to this level. Yeah, I can decide to take it back to this level so that it will touch this point and this point, or I drag it and I'll have to select this point. Let me just drag it back again. Let me adjust. So I can decide it to drag it to touch this point, this low, and this low. Yeah. So in case of an uptrend, I'll come here, select a trend line, then let me use this one. Yeah, let me draw from this level here, then I hold, then I drag. Okay, I make sure it touches at least 2 lower highs for it to qualify to be an uptrend. And as you can see here, then I click somewhere outside to leave the line on the trend. So you have to make sure that it touches at least 2 lower highs to qualify to be an uptrend. So here you can see I have this one, that's 1, I have this one, 2, I have this one, 3. So it is on an uptrend. So like the first one, if I wanted to place a buy order, the first one was here, the second one just a confirmation, then I will, after the close of this candle, I'll buy. So if I was to buy at this point and have my take profit to be at this level, you see how many pips? 1.1856 less 1. Let me say at this level 1.1750. That's a lot of pips. That's let me just calculate. I'll come to show you how to calculate, or I will send you to some YouTube channel to show you to calculate pips. That's 1834 less, that's 84 pips. 84 pips, that's a good amount of money you can make just by placing an order here, just at this point. Yeah, after it is confirmed to be on an uptrend. Also here, let's say you watched the trade, the first point was here, it was on a downtrend. The second point was here, and then you sell to have your take profit to be, let me say, this level. Yeah, and then you bought at this level, so that's 1726 to 1.1696. So 1.1696 1.1696 and you saw that 1.1726, that's 30 pips. Yeah, that's like $3 for someone having an account value of $20. Yeah, depending on the time you came, averagely $2 to $5. Yeah, because you know you cannot get the same amounts of profits depending on the time you entered the trade. So that is it. I won't give you some more conk stuffs, just those ones are enough. Or now you can use this. So you have to open an account with this TradingView app, and then this is how you place the trades. So next I'll be showing you some indicators, 2 indicators to help you know when you to put a buy order and when to have a sell order. So on your top top side of the screen, you will have on the phone you have indicated indicators. Then you will have fundamental metrics, you will have indicator templates, you will have create alert, the same way, the same tools you are seeing on the right side of the screen. So I love indicators and strategies, just a few. So when you click on that, I want you to search what we call relative strength index. This is the indicator. Yeah, once you click on it, it will just appear on your chart. The bottom side of your chart, that is it. It is there. This one you are seeing, this line you are seeing, this line moving up and down across, and yeah. So it has 3 levels. That's from 0 to 100. Yeah. So it is being used this way on a 4-hour time frame chart, suitable for you to use the RSI. When the trend of the currency or the pair or the precious metal or the instruments, cotton, etc., is moving along the RSI, when the fifth from 0 to 100, the half of it is 50. So when the trend is moving below 50, you can have a sell order. But when it's moving above 50, you'll have a buy order. Yeah, but then just it won't be suitable for you to place a buy order by using the RSI alone, to be combined with Bollinger Bands. So you will use the RSI on a 4-hour time frame chart to see whether it's moving, dipping down to below 50 for you to sell, or it's rising to above 50 for you to consider a buy order. So for you to confirm this, you go back to your indicators, then you search for Bollinger Bands. These ones, you click on it, then you load them on your chart, then you close. So these are the Bollinger Bands. The middle one is the simple moving average, the top band is the upper band, and the lower one is the lower band. So generally, when the candlesticks, let me delete these trend lines to just have a clear chart. Yeah, so generally when the candlesticks closes above the middle band, you consider it to be on an uptrend. But then when it closes below the middle band, you consider it to be having to be creating a sell opportunity. Yeah, so after you've seen the strength of the currency or the strength of the volatility of the currency or the pair using the RSI, whether it's dipping below 50 level for you to consider a sell opportunity, or it's rising above the 50 level for you to consider, yeah, this 50 level for you to consider a buy, or closing dipping below this 50 for you to consider a sell. Yeah, like here it was an a sell, yeah, dipping below 50. This level here, it was dipping below 50. There was a lot of selling opportunity going on here until it came to rise above 50, and then you had a buy opportunity here. Yeah, so for you to confirm what you are reading down here on your RSI, you use Bollinger Bands. So Bollinger Bands, you use them on a time frame of 30 minutes. So on the top side of your screen, you see these 4 hours. These are the time frames. You click on it, then you select 30 minutes. Yeah, so when you have 30 minutes, when you on a 4-hour time frame chart, let's say it was dipping or it was closing above 50, the 50 level, then you go to that minutes time frame chart. What you will consider is this: the last candle, the last candle, did it close above the middle band? If it closed above the middle band, then you buy. Remember, that's after using the 4-hour time frame chart, and you saw the level rising above the level 50. Yeah, then you go to your that minute time frame chart, then you see the last candle. If it closed above the middle band, then you consider to buy. Sorry, but then if it was closing, but then if you use the RSI on a 4-hour time frame chart and you saw the level was dipping below the level 50, then you go to confirm on a 30-minute time frame chart, and the last candle closed below the middle band, then you consider a sell order. Yeah, actually these are the strategies that I'm using. Many people have been using, which have been asking me which strategy I'm using. These are the ones. So just that simple, and then you identify your buy opportunities, you identify your sell opportunities. So after you've done that, you go back to your FXPesa app. The first video I uploaded on my channel, I showed you on how to place orders on that FXPesa app once you have it on your phone. So it's just that simple. So not something very hard for you to do, just something simple, and it's not something difficult. I think I'm done. Unless there be an issue, you can just comment, and you can just also be sharing and subscribing more on this channel to be kept up to date with the posts that I will be uploading. So next I'll be uploading a video on technical terms, and then actually the technical terms that we usually use on forex, so that it just prepares you on the next videos, because I'll be using the terms more often on my next videos. So let me say thank you for watching, and subscribe and share to your friends. Yeah, so after that, I think I'll stop there, Any issue that you'll be facing, any challenge that you'll be facing, I'm here to help you and to sort you out. So just feel free to share, and feel free to comment, and feel free to ask for help from me. Yeah, thank you.